Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about accounting. The topic that is about the fixed cost and the variable cost. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we know that the profit that should be about the revenue minus the cost. So we know that in the revenue we have the number of the product multiplied by the sale price. About the cost, we have variable cost and the fixed cost. So about variable cost, that is about the number of the product multiplied by variable cost per unit. So in this one, I will select about March and April. So we put number 26, go to here and here. The sale price, we have 10 euros in here. We put in here. So I will put this one that is about X. This one that is about Y. And now we create the system of equations. So we have 18,000. We multiply by number 10. We minus about 18,000. We multiply by X plus Y. And this one equals to negative 8,000. Because this is about the loss, that's why we have negative 8,000. The next one I will select March. So we have 26,000. We multiply by 10. Minus we have 26,000. We put about X and we put about Y. And this one equals to 24,000. So we have the negative sign in here. So we put negative goal here and here. So now we have like this. And this one we have 180,000. We put this one go to the right. Now we do similar for the second one. So we put this one go on here, and this one we have negative 188,000. And this one we have negative 236,000. And now we can find the value of X and Y. And that is about number 6 and 80,000. So this one, that is about variable cost per unit. This one, that is about the fixed cost. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.